Anyway, yeah, so that's pretty much the end of the video. And before we get to the end, the only good thing I got was this spoon engine, a few rims, this one for 892k, and these ones. I did get a few. I think I got this. I did get a vinyl, but I've already sold it because it's dookie. And then I got this spray paint for 77,000. And yeah, I think pretty much that's it. And I got a few more rims, but other than that, it's all pretty much rubbish stuff. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure you hit that like button, press that red notification button. Oh, I say it wrong. Yeah, so make sure you hit that So yeah, hit that like button, press that red subscribe button, and turn that bell notification on. Let's go, is it right? And yeah, as long as you have that bell notification button on, you will never you'll never not miss a video of mine. So you'll always get notified of my banging videos. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Peace.